nail here, so y'all bear with me. Mm. Okay. Mmm. 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 Oh my God. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Mmm. The bark on the outside, the char. Oh my God. Mmm. It's so delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. It did need some sauce though. Mm-hmm. Ooh, mama. Oh, I love me some barbecue. It's just so damned expensive. It's not something I treat myself to very often. And a lot of the times I'll get ribs and stuff like that. And the ribs that I make in my oven are more than often better. Mmm. Ooh. Mm-hmm. These are meaty and saucy. Mmm. I love beans too. Mm-hmm. Everything is plenty seasoned though. Plenty, and it's good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Mm.